Hi guys, welcome to another DIY with Noah by Fifi. Today I wanted to do something super beginner friendly and easy to do. I thought about how to, basically you're going to infuse a fragrance into a fragrance-free or relatively fragrance-free body butter, body cream or lotion. This CeraVe moisturizing, really good lotion, completely fragrance free. It's lightweight. And then another example would be this Nivea body cream. So the cocoa butter, it does have like a very light scent, but it can easily take on adding a fragrance to it. Again, something super simple, easy to do. And then today, the fragrance that I'm going to infuse, I'm actually going to infuse it into the cocoa butter body cream for you guys. And I decided to do a white musk, and I'm going to mix in just a little bit of sandalwood because I love sandalwood. And let's get going, and I'll show you how to do this simple DIY. Hey guys, really quickly before we do this super simple mixing, I wanted to just show you what you need. So I've opened up the body cream we're going to use, and then I've mixed in the white musk and sandalwood together, added a little bit of vitamin E oil. Don't need to do that, especially with this body cream, but it's just me being extra. You need a whisk, a spatula to scoop the body butter into a container. So honestly, that's all we'll need, and we'll get to mixing. Okay guys, so we're back. I've used this spatula to scoop out the body butter into this container. I'm not touching anything as far as the product, so I don't have any gloves on, but everything is sterile. And then you just want to pour your oil mixture, your fragrance mixture into here. Do a little bit at a time, and you just really start mixing. So do it slow just so you don't spatter everything all over the place. And you're gonna just mix this in till it's fully incorporated, and you like how it smells. White musk is really light, so I usually add a little more of that than something stronger like a patchouli, for example. And because this cocoa butter has a light, very light cocoa butter scent, I actually like how it smells with the musk. If you have something completely fragrance free, then it'll just smell exactly like the product. So once I'm done mixing this, I'll show you the consistency it should look like. And I literally just transfer this back into the body butter container that, I put it out, took it out of, and stick a label on it letting me know that it's white musk now instead of just regular body butter, and you can use it. So I'll be back just to kind of show you when I'm done incorporating it what it looks like, because it does thin it out just a little bit, and then that's it. Okay, we're back. I'm done mixing, and you can see it's no longer separated. That's just what it looks like. You want to mix it until the oil is completely mixed in with your cream or lotion. You don't want it to separate. You want it to be smooth like it was, but now it's just scented. And you can do this, like I said, with anything. You can even say you have a fragranced lotion, but you want to make it a little more woody and you want to add some sandalwood. You can do that. Just put it in a container, add as much sandalwood as you like. You just want to be careful to not add too much oil until you get to the point where the lotion breaks and it won't take any more oil. So that's why you just have to do a little bit at a time. This is 16 ounces, and I ended up adding probably about 3.5 ounces total of oil to this. The fragrance is nice, like I like it, and as you can see, the cream still holds its form. It's not separated, and that's what you want. So hope you guys like this super simple, easy beginner DIY on how to infuse fragrance into your non-scented lotions. Let me know if you can think of something else you want me to try. Like I said in previous videos, I don't know how to make everything, but definitely happy to try. We can fail together, we can succeed together. So just let me know. Okay, bye.